Alright, guys. Full case crown! No, not full case. Half case crown. Sorry. Second half tomorrow. Here we go. Timber. Good luck. Let's pull some heat. Let's get some silhouettes. Let's get some silhouettes tonight, guys. Let's get some of them silhouettes.
Whoa.
What? Alright, ladies and gents, are we doing the right or left side? First to 2 votes is the half case we rip. Again, Playbook, ending now on eBay. A lot of hot stuff in Playbook. A lot of hot, sexy stuff. And when I say hot, sexy stuff, I mean it. I got 2 rights first. I got Golden Apples and Scrubs. So we're doing it.
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
So left half, again, guys, tomorrow, come back, get in it to win it.
I can't stand this new
Okay.
the way it's set up. Like,
Oh, okay.
this thing's always
Go with Creepy Critter and Sven.
doesn't go down.
Ah! Good luck, guys, and crown.
Right face.
Also, again, please, let's get that full 2 cases of Chrome. Let's do it tonight, please, guys. Down to 13 spots. Been wanting to rip that for a long time now. Giving away 2 sealed boxes with that.
Giving away 2 monkeys.
And the Truth's giving away 2 apes with it. Tony Romo, Pro Bowl green. Who is that? Beckham? These are not numbered. Slotch. Gordon, Gates, and Rivers. And PJ Williams auto. First one out for the Saints. Jay Cork getting the first one out. 5 of 200. PJ Inc. And then these are advertisements. They're in the back of every pack. 8 of 199. Chris Ivory for the Jets. Jojo Mojo gets that one.
Mojo.
We got Sammy Brad. Base. Come on, focus. There it goes. Oh, this is going to be a hit. Oh, it's a silhouette of Jalen Strong. On-card jersey silhouette for the Texans. 04 Trib. 6 of 299 silhouette. Jalen Strong.
Is KG trained in this room?
No. Sam Bradford base. We got another 99 too. Ooh. Ty Montgomery and Brett Hundley dual silhouette for the Packers. Tandra Powell. That is number 27 of 99. 27 of 99. None of them are number 27. 7 is Hundley. Devontae Parker and Eric Tomlinson, and then an advertisement. We got Greg Olson. A green Mariota.
Who was on that card again?
Ty Montgomery and Brett Hundley.
Okay.
The 2 Packer rookies. Hundley and Montgomery. Swatches. Andrews, dude. Chris.
Dude, that guy's in every box.
Conley jersey. Going to the Chiefs. That's 04 Trib. 263 of 499. We're going to get all 499 of those. And Shaquem Phillips. Shaquem Phillips.
Shaquem! It's Shaquem Phillips! Shaquem.
Big Ben.
It's Shaquem.
Eric Kendricks. This is going to be numbered. And we got a pink weenie. That is number 93 and 199 for the Vikes.
It's all about that Shaquem.
Bracy, 1976 gets that one. Pink weenie, Des Bryant. And another Packer.
Packers hit like crazy in this.
Ty Montgomery for Tandra Powell.
I've noticed.
136 of 499. I know there's lots of Packers. Eric Kendricks. And an ad. On the Bucks, too. Need a better looking ribbon than what they decided on.
Yeah, they didn't use the best looking.
No.
Aesthetically pleasing ribbon.
All right, we got Kaepernick, AJ Green.
Yeah, Packers do hit a lot in this.
Luck, T.Y. Hilton,
2 cases we've noticed.
and Andre Johnson. Ooh, this is the first one I got like this. Knights of the Round Table jersey, Joe Flacco. For the Ravens, SIF 52 says get off the field. That is 45 of 299. Joe Flacco jersey. Shaquem Phillips again.
You got Shaquem again?
Heck yeah, I did.
Oh, Shaquem.
Shaquem Olajuwon.
Shaquem Olajuwon. Oh,
Jason Witten. We got a blue pink weenie. Mario.
It doesn't even look like a ribbon.
No, it doesn't.
They need to do something with that.
Mario Williams.
Dude.
Amir Abdullah. And we got a silhouette. Max Williams silhouette. On-card auto silhouette going out to 52 says get off the field. 153 of 299.
Yeah, the Packers do hit quite a bit.
Eric Kendricks.
Robbie Co, this is Chrome Half Case.
This is not Chrome. This is Crown Royal. There you go.
Is Robbie Co in this?
No. Eli Manning. Dominic Brown for the Buccaneers. Gagoots gets that one. 58 of 99, Dominic Brown. So this is going to be a Slotch. Pro Bowl, and then another Walter Payton jersey. For the Bears, that is Shitlore. 6 of 108.
Who did that go to?
Shitlore. My favorite name ever. And Terrence McGee.
Have there been any Giants hits?
No.
No. Apple Scrub says sweetness for who?
Shitlore gets that one. SHYT underscore LAUR. Green, Court Kings, Roethlisberger, Brown, and Le'Veon Bell. We got a pink weenie. Oh, this could be huge.
Why? Is it Coop? Is it Coop? It's not Clive, right?
Oh, it's freaking Clive. It's the low number one, too. 12 of 25 going to Theo Kitty. Clive. I thought we did it.
Damn it, Tom.
I thought we
You
did
should
it.
have known better. It's always Clive.
Pink weenie of Kaepernick. And who's this? Demarius Thomas is number 31 and 99. Going to the Broncos. That is Tiki's.
Tiki Barber.
Tiki Barber. Big Daddy Clive Walford. Can't go wrong with Clive. Josh McCown, base. Gerald McCoy. Pink Weenie is Larry Fitz. And Matt Jones. For the Redskins, Jay Cork. 230 of 499. Going to Jay Cork and Terrell Watson.
They couldn't put Thomas Rawls in there, huh?
They have Frank Chance.
Yeah?
Yep. Joseph Randall. Green is Garrett Grayson. And then we have a Slotch. Russell Wilson. And we flip a Rooney Dooney. Eric Rowe auto for the Eagles. Twiggy Bank. 72 of 100. Eric Rowe Inc. And then we got Jordan Reed for the Redskins. Number 61 of 199. That is Jay Cork. All right, Keenan Allen, Latavius Murray, and Beckham, Manning, and Cruz, and a heirs to the throne. Rashad Perriman, Buck Allen, and Max Williams, all three of them. 52 says get off the field. 79 of 99 for the Ravens. And then we got Nick Boyle.
For the Ravens.
Yeah. Jordan Reed. Green, Jordy Nelson, Eddie Lacy, Aaron Rodgers. And then we got Slotch. And then we've got another die cut auto of Jameis Winston. Boom! The Goots!
That'd be a low number one, too.
19 of 25. One touch me. And Frank Clark.
We got Mariota. And we got Winston.
There you go, Gagoots. Die cut purple auto. Jameis Winstonian. I've gotten them both tonight.
Boom, shakalaka.
Empty box. There you go, Gagoots.
Gagoots is loose. The Goots. We're due for some more Shaquems.
Russell Wilson. Who's that? AJ Green. Macklin, Smith, and Charles. And out of 99, whatever this one is. Dress Anderson auto. Niners.
My favorite.
Gold City Sports Cards. 47 and 99. Dress.
My favorite guy ever.
And then Shady McCoy for the Bills is 100 and 199.
Where's Shaquem?
No Shaquem in that one.
Yeah, I want some more Shaquem. Give me some Shaquem.
Doug Martin. Ooh, printing plate 1 of 1.
Who?
Calvin Johnson, 1
Nice.
of 1. That goes out to the Lions. Oh, that dog of mine.
Oh, that dog of mine.
These are cool plates. I like them. 1 of 1. That is spectac. And then the Rashad Perriman jersey. This is 23 of 25. That is really low numbered. 52 says, get off the field.
Yeah.
It's that one. And then Trevor Seaman.
What?
Trevor
Another
Seaman
guy?
for the Broncos.
Figure out the names.
Brandon Marshall, a green weenie of Decker, and a regular weenie of Julio. And we got points. 250 big ones.
That's the first point.
In this one, yeah.
I don't know a lot.
And then we got Nate Orchard and an ad. I think we got 2 hits, but I can't tell. Maybe be a slotch and a hit. Drew Brees, Jake Ryan for the Packers. That's going to be numbered. 146 and 199 for Tandra Powell, Jake Ryan. We got a slotch, Cam Newton, and a jersey of Barry Sanders. Knights of the Round Table. Barry Sanders. Oh, that dog of mine, I believe. Yep. 12 of 95.
Oh, that dog of mine.
And then we got Randy Gregory. Randy Gregory. 2 boxes to roll through. Empty box. We got Jeremy Hill, Stanky, Kaepernick, and the jersey's Winston for Gagoots. Heir to the throne, Dyka jersey, Winston. 324 of 499 on that Winston. And Quandre Diggs. Good old Quandre. Nick Foles. A blue Amir Abdullah. Not numbered. And then a slotch. Knights of the Round Table, Jeffrey Forte Cutler. And out of 49, auto, Thomas Rawls.
What? He's in a product.
He's in it. Golden Apples. That's a nice one.
He's in a product.
He's in a product.
Man, why do you have to go and break his foot or whatever?
22 of 49, Thomas Rawls auto for Golden. Shankandrick West. He's in it too.
Robert Cox says he has Giants in this, so he was lying.
I got JoJo Mojo with him. I got JoJo Mojo with him, I think. So I don't know, maybe I'm wrong here. Julius Thomas, Golden Tate, is that Funchess? Yeah. And Jordy Nelson jersey for the Pack. Tandra Powell, 1 of 49. 1 of 49, and Carl Davis. So Rawls is finally in a product. We got Blake Bortles, a green Kevin White, and a slotch. And then DeJuan Smith auto for the Colts.
Who?
DeJuan Smith for Fedo 23 US.
Not the one.
167 and 299 for DeJuan. Emmanuel Sanders, Pro Bowl, and a numbered Joseph Randall for the Cowboys. 128 and 199. That goes out to 7197 Eric. And last box Mojo. We only got 1 point in this whole half. $50.
Does anybody have any break?
I have no idea on that one, dude. Calvin Johnson. Green is Brandon Marshall. Let's see if this one's numbered. This is numbered. 5 of 5. Brandon Marshall for the Jets. Gamecocks. 5 of 5. Emerald. And then... woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ryan Tannehill. 3-color dirty patches. That's a nice one for the Dolphins. That is Don Paul, of course. 2 of 5. Do you see it?
Yeah,
That's a sick one. 2 of 5.
Don Paul always hits, though.
Don Paul always getting the something. 2 of 5. Ryan Tannehill and Jackson Shipley.
Doesn't matter what team he buys, he hits. You can buy the freaking no team at all and still hit.
Jamal Charles. Knights of the Round Table. Steve Smith, Forsett, Flacco. Slotch. Matthew Stafford. And we got a die cut auto.
Boom!
It is Ty Montgomery for the Pack. That is Tandra Powell getting some ink. 186 and 199. Ty Montgomery. And Senquez Golson.
Who?
Senquez.
Oh, that guy.
Heck yeah.
Senquez.
Senquez. This is going to be low numbered, I think. Randall Cobb.
Lime is sweet.
Michael Crabtree. We got a pink weenie of Kaepernick.
What is this?
A 2-color patch of Duke Johnson for the Cleveland Browns. That is Scooter Max.
Ooh.
Scooter. 25 of 25. Duke Johnson. 2-color patch.
Hey, dude.
And then Jake Ryan. Last pack.
This is not a silhouette.
Last pack mojo. We got Ndamukong Suh. Blue David Cobb. It's not. It's out of $2.99. Matthew Stafford.
Give me a jersey.
No, it's an auto. Josh Robinson for the Colts. That is Fetto. 236 to 299. And Stafford. And Drew Brees, numbered out of 199. 185, 199 goes out to
Millie Vanilli.
Jay Cork. We did have 1 pointer, 250. We will random that off now. No other randoms. No other randoms. More Crown Royal tomorrow, guys. More Crown Royal tomorrow. This is trash. Yeah, there's some nice hits in that case. Winston, the out of 5. Tannehill. 2 out of 25 patches. But I think we only got 1 silhouette, didn't we?
What was it, Max?
Oh, we might have got 2.
No one was Max. Maximus Williams.
We didn't get rolls. We got a printing plate 101. Yeah, Max Williams. Oh, Jalen Strong. We got 2.
2 winners.
2 silhouettes.
2 studs.
So I'd imagine there's some silhouettes in the second half. Boo, 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 boo. Putting all teams into the randomizer. And transferring you over. Top spot gets 250 big ones. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2. I transferred you guys, right? Yeah. 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. The Eagles. Piggy Bank gets 250 points. Piggy Bank. Alrighty, next up is Playbook, I believe.
Yes. Then we're done unless somebody fills that chrome.